Part 1. Going to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I need to buy some food. I need to buy some food. I make a shopping list. I make a shopping list. I take my shopping bag. I take my shopping bag. I walk into the store. I walk into the store. I get a shopping cart. I get a shopping cart. I push the cart slowly. I push the cart slowly. I look for fresh food. I look for fresh food. I check my shopping list. I check my shopping list. I start in the fruit section. I start in the fruit section. Part 2. Buying fruit and vegetables. I buy some apples. I buy some apples. I choose fresh bananas. I choose fresh bananas. I pick up some oranges. I pick up some oranges. I put tomatoes in the bag. I put tomatoes in the bag. I buy carrots for dinner. I buy carrots for dinner. I choose a green cucumber. I choose a green cucumber. I look for fresh lettuce. I look for fresh lettuce. I smell the fruit carefully. I smell the fruit carefully. I check the price tag. I check the price tag. I put the fruit in my cart. I put the fruit in my cart. Part 3. Buying meat, fish, and eggs. I go to the meat section. I go to the meat section. I buy chicken for dinner. I buy chicken for dinner. I choose a piece of fish. I choose a piece of fish. I look at the package carefully. I look at the package carefully. I check the expiration date. I check the expiration date. I buy a dozen eggs. I buy a dozen eggs. I put the eggs in the cart. I put the eggs in the cart. I choose fresh meat. I choose fresh meat. I ask for help at the counter. I ask for help at the counter. I need 1 pound of chicken. I need 1 pound of chicken. Part 4. buying bread, milk, and drinks. I go to the bread section. I go to the bread section. I buy a loaf of bread. I buy a loaf of bread. I choose whole wheat bread. I choose whole wheat bread. I pick up a bottle of milk. I pick up a bottle of milk. I buy orange juice. I buy orange juice. I get a bottle of water. I get a bottle of water. I choose some yogurt. I choose some yogurt. I put cheese in my cart. I put cheese in my cart. I look for butter. I look for butter. I buy coffee for the morning. I buy coffee for the morning. Part 5. Buying snacks and daily items. I buy some snacks. I buy some snacks. I choose a bag of chips. I choose a bag of chips. I buy cookies for my family. I buy cookies for my family. I get cereal for breakfast. I get cereal for breakfast. I buy pasta for lunch. I buy pasta for lunch. I choose rice for dinner. I choose rice for dinner. I get some cooking oil. I get some cooking oil. I buy salt and sugar. I buy salt and sugar. I need dish soap. I need dish soap. I buy paper towels. I buy paper towels.